Let's look at this question. What can be said about 3 raised to the power 2 into log 3 in brackets log x to the base 10 is equal to log x to the base 10 plus log x to the base 10 whole square minus 1. Okay, the LHS can be reduced to 3 raised to the power log 3 log 10 x whole square is equal to log 10x plus log 10x whole square minus 1. Okay, so I get log 10x whole square is equal to log 10x plus log 10x whole square minus 1. This and this cancel. I'm left with x is equal to 10. If x is equal to 10, this range would be acceptable. Answer is option C.